This is a HUAWEI P60 Pro, and today I would like to show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to start, you will need to find and launch the app gallery, then at the search bar input the Opera query. Once the needed app is found, you can either install it directly from the search results or open the respective app page and tap at the install button over there. Now wait a few seconds for the app to be downloaded and installed respectively, then launch it. In here you will need to undergo a very simple initial setup procedure, so tap at the continue button over here. Choose if you would like to set Opera as your default browsing app right off the bat, or you can absolutely skip this step. And over here you can customize the data collection preferences or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching and bye bye.